How y'all doing today? So today we got in the lock from Eddie B. I'm just getting around and sitting down and trying it out, and we're gonna try and do this the full-on LPU belt submission way and do a full pick and gut. She works nice. We're gonna be using the 1.3 mil Tapa keyway, and we're gonna try it out. With the 0.4 millimeter multi-pick curve. Y'all know I gotta keep it gangster with my picks, y'all. So let's see. So I don't even know if it's gonna work, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get back in here and check some stuff out. So 5, 3. Let's check one out. 1. Could it be 2? No, let's try keep going. 3, 4. Hey, there we go. Boom shakalaka. All right. Gold P. Nice and zippy doo-dah-day-ish. All right, let's lock it back up. I'll make sure y'all can see that it's turning. All right, let's lock her back up. All right. Now, y'all gotta bear with me. This is my first time trying to do this like this, so we are going to pull up the camera some here. Make sure we keep this bad boy in frame. Don't you fall over, you little bastard. All right. Let's go ahead and take the focus lock off here. All right, let's move the vise out the way. Oh, all right, so let's slide this out. All right, he said I need to go through the Bible cover. All right, let's angle this down. Hopefully my phone don't fall. That would freaking suck. He said go through the Bible cover. And it's kind of springy, so we're gonna do this as carefully as we can and pray to Lord have mercy that we don't drop nothing here. All right, so we got one cap open, 2, 3, I think 3. Yeah, so we got 3, 4, 5, and 6. Holy shit, we got that open in one piece. Alright, let's get these springs out. Spring 1. If we can get them out. It doesn't matter where the springs go, they're all for the same thing here. Alright, now we gotta get this little punk out. She wants to be a little bastard. So hopefully this is all staying in frame and staying focused. Once I get this out, I'll try and get some better focus going here. Oh, don't you go flying, you little punk. Alright, we got all the springs out. So far, so good, but that's famous last words. See if we can get it to focus. Alright, so y'all can see the cups are hollow, I think you said I gotta show. So hopefully that will focus properly for y'all to see that. So we got hollow cups down in there. All right, so let's get pin 1 out. Oh, don't you go flying. So pin 1. All right, so next we got, let's do it this way, that way it stays in the line that it's supposed to be in. No, I don't like doing it that way. Y'all forgive me, I'm trying to figure this shit out. Bear with me, please. Alright, so we go, and we'll straighten them out once we get them all out on the table. Y'all saw the cups were the right way, so hopefully that's acceptable, because I'm still learning. So let's put them this way. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, next one up. And boom. Alright, so we'll straighten them up. Let me get this last 2 out and then we'll go from there, y'all. Oh, no, don't you go into there. You belong here and here. Okay. And pin 6. Alright. Pin 6. Alright, let's set this down right quick. Oh, we got a spring that tried to run away. Ain't that about a punk and a punk ass? Alright. Where, oh, where? Alright, so let's get them all facing the right direction. Make sure everything stays in frame. Yeah, we're good. For now, we're good. So let's make sure they all face the right way and do the right thing. So that's a cup. So that's going to be that. That goes there. This is the key pin. Okay. So, alright, don't go flying. That's a cup. And key pin is this way. Alright, and we know that's a cup, so we're gonna spin that. Don't you get stuck, you punk. Flip that. Hopefully this will count as a submission when the time comes, if I decide to go for a belt. So let's see. Okay, that's key pin. That should be the cup. That's the cup. Alright, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna keep that in frame, and we're gonna the moment of truth. Let's get screws out of here. And probably would have been easier to do this before I took the pins out so I can actually take the screws out, but I'm a dumbass and don't pay any attention to me. So, one screw. Alright, 2 screws. Probably could have loosened them up to make my life a little easier too, but once again, I am not intelligent. I just show up and do this shit and pray. So let's throw in the key. Where the f did the key go? There we go. Derp. Throw the key in, rotate it this way, and take it out carefully, as to not send the bearings, which I don't know where they're at. I tried to watch, but I don't know. Oh Lord, let's not go flying, please, yo. Let's not go flying. So, there we go. Alright. Did we do it? Oh, let's see. One and a spring. Oh shit, did I do it? I think I did it. And we got one still sitting in there. I don't know if I get it out. Gosh darn it, come on. Come out of there. Come on, you little punk. Let's not do it right there, though. Dang it. It won't come out. Fuck you. I don't want to cause this. I don't want to ruin this video. Hopefully, I can get it out of there. Don't know why she won't come out. I don't know if the bearings have to be showed or not. We trying, y'all. We trying. I can't get the little sumbitch out. And I can't get behind it. Alright. Gosh, let's see. I don't want to beat too much and lose it. Shit, it won't come out. I don't know. Can y'all see that? And can y'all see that? Hopefully that'll stay in. Hopefully that'll count, because it won't come the hell out of there. But we're gonna leave it there like that and hope for the best, because it won't come out, and I can't figure out. There it went. Alright, where'd she go? Of course she went flying. Hopefully that don't count against me. If it does, oh well, it was fun. Son of a bitch. Let's get the spring out now. Alright, I need a little clip. course, of course, of course. That was such a good round. Hopefully, that won't go against me. I know it's down here on the ground, right in front of me, somewhere. So we're not going to worry about it. Let's just do this. Let's just finish what we're doing and see what happens. Alright, so here's the core. Y'all can see the core. Let's grab something to give it a little teeny thingy. I don't know if that counts or what, but stay in focus, stupid. I hate these cameras. Let's try and focus this a little bit. Focus, stupid. You feel a little clinkies and the caramel in there. Alright, and there go the rest of the plug. Alright, so hopefully that counts. Alright, let's see if we can get a good shot of the pins. And now we might have to take the focus lock off and hope that my phone will focus like it's supposed to. So let's see if we can get some focus going here. Hopefully this will be good enough to see. I don't know if it will. I don't know any of this crap. But there are the pins. Alright, can y'all see them? Is that good? Let's see if we can get it a little closer. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Alright, so there we go. And hopefully that will count at some point. And otherwise, that's all I got. That was fun. Eddie B, I'm gonna try and find that other bearing. Hopefully I can find it. If not, I'll have to get you another one. So with that said, y'all have a good one.